Hello and welcome back to the Spencer Colgan Show. What am I doing today? I am installing a midnight grass cloth in this average sized bathroom here in the Tampa Bay area. And I just wanted to show you that I start off by, first of all, sizing all of the walls. And so you see a little shine on the walls, and that is because I put a protective primer on it in order that the wallpaper stick to the walls, reduces air bubbles, and it allows for the wallpaper to come right off the wall when you take it down, so that it doesn't take the plaster and the sheetrock paper with it. Essential to a proper wallpaper installation. A lot of people don't use that, and that's why you have problems taking down your wallpaper when it comes time to remove it. My advice is hire a professional or follow the professional's advice, that's all. Okay, so here's the wallpaper, and you'll get a better look at it when we put it up there. Isn't that nice? It's 20 3/4 inch out of the wrapper, and it'll finish off at about 21 inches wide. The wallpaper expands when you put it up about a 1/4 inch, give or take. So I just wanted to show you that you have to put some form of protection on the floor, whether it be masking paper or a drop cloth or whatever. Something's got to go down on the floor, because when you put on the primer, it's like paint, and so obviously you got to protect the floor. Okay, so I'm going to bring you through the steps of this process. The first is priming, protection of the floor and surfaces, and priming the walls. Okay, so we're going to wait till it dries, and then we'll start on step 2. So get your cup of coffee and let the show begin. See you in the next one.